How to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator. First things first, you're gonna make sure that your Facebook app is completely updated. If it's not, you're gonna head over to your App Store or Play Store to update Facebook to its latest version. Then you're gonna head over to Facebook and head over to the profile section right here. Now from here, these are the menu settings. You're gonna click onto your profile and then you're gonna click on these three dots right here. And here is where your profile settings is. Now from here, you're going to simply click on this button that says turn on professional mode, which is just right above share profile. My profile is currently locked, so this mode is not activated for me. But if you have a public profile, like your profile is not locked, then you can just simply click on it and it's going to turn into professional mode. Professional mode, from then, Facebook is going to take a while to review your request of turning your account into a professional account, and then it's going to ask you if you want to be a digital creator or a content creator, and that way you can switch your Facebook account from normal account to a digital creator, and that way you can also make money off of Facebook. So yeah, this is a quick, easy, and simple way on how you can change your Facebook profile into a professional digital content creator.